Now, number 9 is asking us to create an enumeration inside sales transaction file called status with 3 possible values in progress, pending, and paid. So here's what we're going to do. Let's go to the codes. Let's go to sales transaction. And then we could potentially create inside the class. However, to make this enumeration readily available to the entire application without needs of saying sales transaction, we can just put it at the very top at the same level of the class. So you can say enum, and the enum is called status, and then you're just going to say in progress, pending, and paid. And we're going to be using the Pascal casing to specify each one of the items. So that's the enum. Then what? Let's have a look there. We have the enum, then create a new property and fields on the sales transaction class called sales status of type status. Okay, so let's create a new field and a new property here. So here's the fields. I'm going to put it right here, private status. And that's sales status. We're going to use lowercase here. And then we're going to create the equivalent property. So we're going to say public status, sales status, and you're going to read and write from it, from the private field. So we're going to have a get, we have a set, then the get will return sales status, and the set will say sales status equals to value. Now, next item here, we're missing semicolon. So we did 10 and then 11. Go back to each one of the 3 constructors and set the new sales status field to in progress in all of them. So we could do just something like this. Sales status, and then we can say right here and status dot in progress. I'm going to copy this, I'm going to add to each one and to the last one, and we are done here. Before we finish here, I just want to add one more thing to our application. It's not asked here in the exercise, but I'm just going to demonstrate that. Let's output the sales targets in the console as well. Because this is a static property, what you can do is you can just say console dot writeLine, and then we can call, actually let's use string interpolation here. Let's say that we're going to say this is the sales target, and then we're gonna call the class, so it's sales transaction dot sales target, and we're gonna format this as currency. And let's have a look how this works. Okay, it seems that we have a problem. Let's see what's the problem. And of course, we're missing a semicolon, so let's run this again. And here's what we have, the 1000 sales targets. Again, we are accessing it from the class, not from any of the objects. That's it about the exercise. Thank you.